Alright, so maybe you guys can help me out to pick for my next build which body I should use for the 6 scale TRX that I'm building. As you can see, the one that I built over here, the orange one, that was a 6 scale. That was a Raptor body. But I got the Chevy. I've got the red one and the green one. Or I can make it, keep it 10 scale or build it up to a 6 scale, which is what I did with this one over here. So let me know in the comments. Very indecisive. I mean, if I do the 6 scale, obviously I've got to extend it and build all new arms or what have you, like I did with this one. But you know, but with this one, with this 10 scale, this is the New Bright 8 scale body, but obviously it's a 10 scale in you know, highway grade size. If I do this one would be a lot easier than, you know, obviously the 6 scale. So let me know in the comments. I really do appreciate it. So, and please don't forget to subscribe so that we can follow up on this, and I'll show you how it goes once I start building it. So, all right, thanks guys.